Okay, this quick video is going to give you a better idea or better understanding, hopefully, of osteokinematic motion versus arthrokinematic motion. So if we have a joint, we have the two different types of motion. We have one, if this is the joint, my hands are the joint, this is called arthrokinematic motion, also known as maybe secondary motion, joint motion. So arthrokinematic could be like this, or it could be like this, or it could be spinning. It could be any one of those. The osteokinematic motion is what we refer to as the swinging of the bone. Could be like this. And so when we talk about arthrokinematic motion, every time we have osteokinematic motion, there is a certain movement at the joint that occurs at the same time. And so what we're going to be talking about real quickly here is the direction of arthrokinematic motion versus osteokinematic motion. And so when we talk about arthrokinematic motion and osteokinematic motion, there is a concave convex rule that's going to apply. So if we have a concave surface, kind of like a cave, and we have a convex surface, we can tell how they're going to move on each other by which part is moving. For example, if we have a convex moving on a concave, the osteokinematic motion, the arm, is going to move in the opposite direction as the arthrokinematic motion. So you see, as the elbow goes up, the hand goes down. So when we have a convex moving on a concave surface, the osteokinematic motion is opposite the arthrokinematic. When we have a concave surface moving on a stable or fixed convex surface, we have the arthrokinematic motion going in the same direction as the osteokinematic motion. So going up, going up. Try to get that on a picture. Going up, going up. A typical joint here would be an example of, in the same direction, would be the tibia, concave surface, moving on the femur, convex surface. An example of common convex moving on a concave, where we have the osteokinematic motion as being opposite the arthrokinematic, would be the hip. Whereas as we bring the knee into, or the leg into flexion, the hip is moving posteriorly and inferiorly. So that is a concave convex rule. Feel free to review that as needed throughout the course. Thank you.